of years I've wanted to hike the Skyline Walkway, but summers came and went and I still hadn't walked it. When my sister Michelle from Germany was home visiting us, I thought to myself, this would be something pretty cool to do together. I suggested it to her and she was pretty excited.
Today John and I are doing the Skyline Walkway in Wellington. It's a really pleasant walk so far. It's supposedly 15 kilometres and should take 5 hours. But we can actually see Wellington Harbour in the background. Yet if you look over this way, it looks so remote. There's even sheep and gorse bushes. It has this rugged feel to it.